We'll go that way. Oh my god, bro.
I hope your buddy's okay.
My butt?
Your buddy.
What happened?
Dumped his bike.
Are you serious?
Why are you doing 86, man? I know it's on a bike, but
Fuck, did he really crash?
he dumped his bike, yeah. Is he inexperienced or what?
I don't know. What color was the bike?
It's too far away. I was focusing on you.
Dude.
I appreciate you stopping, though.
No, no, it's fine. Fuck, hold on. Can I call them real quick? You cool with that?
No, of course.
A few moments later.
Did you get hold of him?
No, not him.
Hell no, man.
Yeah, so you're doing 86 and a 50, so that's what you got. You have any speeding tickets lately?
I got one the other day, yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Bike or something else?
On this, yeah.
You just get it? It's the 23, right?
Yeah. I'm just... I don't know, man. I'm just right. Huh?
What department? Oh,
But I think it was by a state trooper.
how fast were you going?
44.
30?
Yeah.
Well, you topped that one.
Almost. I mean, I still got a little bit of ways to go. Damn, that's...
I'm sure you do. It's a nice bike. Definitely a nice bike.
Man, what the fuck, man?
I should have kept going.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't have caught you. I mean, not even close. We don't chase bikes.
No.
I don't mind saying that to people. But you know what? If there's a deer that jumped out in front of you when you didn't stop for me,
Dead.
God have mercy on your soul. You know what I mean?
That's crazy,
I
man.
appreciate you stopping. You can always ask for a reduction when you go to court. I don't care. If it gets reduced for a parking ticket, I don't care. You know, you guys will, even me, and when I'm responding to a call, I don't like to go even 80. It's fast, man. Even in that car. I can't imagine on a bike. I've never ridden a bike before, but there's so many deer and it's crazy.
Yeah.
But, all right, man. Well, ride safe, okay?
I will. I'll try to.